Alright, so let's learn how to play Clone Hero. First thing first, have the, well, unzipped, this unzipped, so it'll be in here. And you want to put songs in, you put songs in here. So I'm gonna go download a song. Let's see. No, I can go in here. I'll do so let's look in here, see what I can get. No. Still looking. Has to K-pop or something. Oh, Crayon. Down this one. I'm downloading it. Give me like a second. There it goes. Should be. Taking a while. Taking a while. Give me a second. Sorry about the delay. Oh, there it is. Cool. We got Crayon, and then you're gonna look in here and drag and drop in here, and then we're going to double click Clone Hero. It should show up. Don't panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. So we're gonna press enter, and then you create a profile, or you just click guest. I'll be a guest. Settings, scan songs. So we're gonna songs got scanned in. So I got Crayon. So it's gonna be expert level. I can just play whatever. Forget it. It's too hard. And yeah. So you go, yeah, and that's how you play, pretty much. And thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, guys. Peace.